All right, you got a trade show coming up. Let's talk about SLAs. This is critical. This is vital. The company or you yourself has made a huge investment in getting this booth, getting this trade show going. So it's time for us to take it seriously and talk about SLAs. What are SLAs? I want you to sit down with a pen and a piece of paper and write down your expectations for this show. In terms of S, that's sales. How many sales do we expect to get at this show? L, leads. How many leads are we going to capture? And A, awareness. What percentage of the population of people coming to this show are going to be made aware of our product, our company, our brand, or us at this show? If you're not going to the show knowing how many sales, how many leads, and what percentage of the attendants are going to be aware of you before they leave, you're just throwing your money down the toilet. My name's Matt Easton. I teach the most effective course on trade show training. If you want to know more about it, reach out to me at Easton University. And if you want more tips on how you can be successful in business, consider giving this account a follow.